Amy Slayton is officially locking in her love story, and this time, there's no turning back. The 1000 LB Sisters star, whose life has been a whirlwind of dramatic highs and heartbreaking lows, has just finalized her wedding date with fiancé Brian. After months of rumors, emotional breakdowns, family disagreements, and even fans questioning the legitimacy of their romance, Amy is finally taking control and pushing forward with her next big chapter. The announcement comes not long after her surprise engagement, which shocked both fans and family members. It seems Amy and Brian are determined to show everyone that their love is real, strong, and here to stay. The couple has reportedly selected a fall wedding date, with insiders revealing that they're eyeing an October ceremony, just in time for the crisp leaves, cozy vibes, and hauntingly romantic atmosphere Amy has always adored. According to close sources, Amy is channeling a spooky, gothic-inspired aesthetic for the big day, which fits her quirky personality and love for all things Halloween. Think dark lace, deep reds, candles, and vintage decor. It's not your typical fairy tale wedding, but for Amy, it's a dream come true. Fans first met Brian in the background of Amy's post-divorce era. After her difficult split from Michael Halterman, many believed she would take a break from relationships and focus solely on her children, Gage and Glenn. But Brian stepped into her life with a quiet confidence and a down-to-earth vibe that slowly won Amy, and eventually some of her followers, over. At first, many were skeptical of the romance. Brian remained largely out of the spotlight, prompting speculation about his intentions. However, after their surprise engagement went public, the couple began sharing more snippets of their relationship with fans through social media posts and brief TLC cameos. Though still relatively private, Brian's presence has become more consistent and supportive, especially as Amy dealt with NSE family drama and personal healing. The finalized wedding date has already stirred plenty of reactions online. Some fans are overjoyed, praising Amy for following her heart and embracing love again despite everything she's been through. Others remain cautious, wondering if the relationship is moving too fast. The debate online is intense, but one thing's clear, Amy Slayton has made her decision, and she isn't looking back. Family reactions, however, are a different story. While some relatives have voiced support, others remain distant and even critical. Tammy Slayton, Amy's famously blunt sister, has reportedly voiced concerns about the pace of the relationship. In one recent episode, Tammy questioned whether Amy had truly taken enough time to recover emotionally after her divorce before jumping into another commitment. According to sources close to the sisters, Tammy's concerns stem from a place of love, but Amy isn't letting any negativity dull her excitement. There's also been tension brewing over wedding details. Amy's choice of a haunted mansion as her wedding venue has raised eyebrows. Some family members reportedly refused to attend if the wedding was held in such an unconventional setting. Amy, though, remains unapologetic. She wants a day that reflects who she is, not what others expect. For Amy, the haunted mansion represents mystery, transformation, and embracing the unexpected, much like her own journey from obesity and self-doubt to self-empowerment and love. Wedding planning hasn't been without its challenges. Amy's health and mobility have fluctuated over the years, and she's working closely with her doctors and nutritionists to ensure she's physically prepared for the event. While she's not at her goal weight yet, she has made incredible progress since her gastric bypass surgery, and she's determined to feel beautiful on her special day. Rumors suggest she's considering a custom-designed gown that incorporates both gothic glam and plus-size comfort. She wants to walk down the aisle with confidence and pride, not just for Brian, but for herself and her two sons, who are expected to have special roles in the ceremony. Amy's boys, Gage and Glenn, have been at the heart of every decision. She's made it clear that Brian must not only be a partner to her but a father figure to her children. According to insiders, Brian has been stepping up in a big way, helping with school runs, meals, and bedtime routines. He reportedly shares a sweet bond with the boys, often reading to them at night and taking them on walks. This has helped ease Amy's anxieties about blending her family and moving forward. Still, some fans have expressed concern over how quickly the children are being introduced to a new father figure. Especially considering their young age and the relatively short timeline of the relationship. But Amy isn't naive. In recent interviews, she's acknowledged the risks of moving quickly, but she says the heart wants what it wants. After years of pain, judgment, and public humiliation, she feels she deserves happiness, even if it looks different than others might expect. In Amy's words, "This is my life. Not a TV storyline. If you don't like it, don't watch." The TLC crew is reportedly in talks to film the wedding for an upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. Viewer could be treated to behind-the-scenes glimpses of the planning process, bridal fittings, family conflicts, and of course, the ceremony itself. This could be a ratings goldmine for the network, especially with all the current buzz around Amy and Brian's relationship. It may also give fans a better understanding of the couple's dynamic, which has largely remained under wraps until now. As the big day approaches, Amy is balancing excitement with a strong sense of self-protection. After being hurt, used, and ridiculed in the past, both by lovers and even some viewers, she's fiercely protective of her peace. Insiders say she's implementing strict boundaries this time around. Only a small guest list, limited press access, and absolutely no drama on the day itself. She's even planning a pre-wedding retreat with her closest friends to mentally prepare and decompress before walking down the aisle. Social media has exploded with commentary since the announcement. On Reddit, Facebook groups, and Instagram fan pages, users are divided. Some comments read, "So happy for Amy, she deserves real love." While others say, "Another rushed relationship. Hope the kids don't suffer again." Despite the mixed reactions, engagement on posts related to Amy's wedding is sky high, proving that the world is still very much invested in the Slayton sisters saga. Brian, meanwhile, is reportedly keeping things low-key. He's said to be camera-shy but supportive of Amy's reality TV lifestyle. Insiders say he's fine staying out of the limelight if that's what it takes to keep Amy and the kids happy. He's also allegedly working with a therapist alongside Amy to ensure their relationship is healthy and grounded. This step has impressed some fans, who say it shows maturity and long-term commitment on Brian's part, something they felt was missing in Amy's previous relationship. Of course, Amy's wedding isn't just a personal milestone, it's a cultural moment. Over the years, she's become an unlikely symbol of resilience. From being mocked for her appearance to proving critics wrong through surgery, motherhood, and career growth, Amy has fought to reclaim her narrative. Her upcoming wedding is more than a romantic celebration, it's a victory lap. A middle finger to the haters. A declaration that she can love, be loved, and live on her own terms. With the wedding date locked in, all eyes will now turn to the venue, the dress, and whether the Slayton family will Why show up? Will Tammy attend, or will lingering tension keep her away? Will there be another viral wedding meltdown like in Amy's first marriage? Will TLC air it all, unfiltered and raw? One thing is certain, Amy Slayton isn't hiding anymore. She's standing in her truth, planning the wedding of her dreams, and writing a new chapter with Brian by her side. The date is set, the dress is in the works, and the world is watching. Whether you are cheering her on or watching with suspicion, Amy has once again made herself the center of the 1000 LB Sisters universe, and this time, she's holding the pen, not the producers, so buckle up. Because Amy's wedding might just be the most dramatic and heartfelt episode yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.